Right, another real life job. This customer has lost the keys to this padlock. So job here is to get it open. It's an IFAM padlock, sliding shackle, and I believe that these have spool pins in them. Security pins. So let's just pick some instruments of choice here. See, first thing I'm going to try and do is get this into a full set. Oh, dropping my tools. I'm going to go top of keyway. That gives me plenty of opportunity then to work the lock via the keyway there. So let's, it's probably going to be a small key on this one as well. Okay, so look at that. Straight away, that's gone into a massive full set. So yeah, there's definitely spool pins in here. Let's just have a little explore, see which one it is that's got a spool pin. Okay, so we've got a spool pin on pin 1 by the feels of it. Lots of counter rotation there. That's set. Pin 1 set. Okay, let's go further back in the lock. There's a full set come back again. 1 set, 2 is set. 3, looking for counter rotation here. 3 is set. Oh, okay, we're going to the back of the lock now. And I don't think this pick is going to cut the mustard in the back of the lock. Let's just check the front pin. The front pin needs to be set. So pin 1 is not in a, is given a counter rotation. Here we go. Okay, that's set. So now we're stuck on another spool pin somewhere. That's 2 we've picked out of. There's one there at the back. Yeah, so this pick hasn't got the reach. Let's find something else. Let's try one of these Andrew Laws. These are the really fine, thin picks. Let's get over to the back there, see if we can find the pin with the counter rotation at the back. Where are you? So there's another spool pin set, and we still haven't got the open. There's more counter rotation there on pin 4. That's pin 4 is set. We haven't got the open. So we're hung up on a pin somewhere in the back of the lock. Oh, there we go. Full set's back. What have we dropped? Pin 3, there we are. This pin 3. Let's see if we can set that. I might change the pick again to something that's going to be more positive on the push there, on that pin. Where are you? It's in here somewhere. Padlocks are always an absolute fiddle because your hands are having to hold the padlock. There's always a heavy chain attached to it or attached to a gate or something, so it makes picking them a lot harder than if it was in the vise. So I'm just trying to set that spool pin. Let's go for another pick. Let's try this one. And of course, as you can see, I'm having to pick this upside down, which isn't helping matters. So these things are always at a funny angle. So pin 5 is set, pin 4 is set, pin 3 is giving me counter rotation. That's now set. We've dropped into an even deeper full set now. I'm not sure if that's even possible. Clearly it is. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. There we go. And we got it open. There we go. How's that? Just make sure that pins come out on that shackle. Yay! There we go. IFAM 5-pinner, I believe, of which nearly all of those were spool pins. That's the result. Okay, there we are. Another job in the field.